Welcome to the Scaringi Law COVID-19 News Break. We're broadcasting a series of videos to address how COVID-19 is affecting Pennsylvanians. The topic of this particular program, COVID-19 and unemployment compensation benefits. Initial claims for state unemployment benefits across the country rose 70,000 to 281,000 last week, the week of March 14th. That's the highest number of jobless claims since September of 2017, according to the United States Department of Labor. It's important to note that those figures represent a huge jump in claims, but cover a period before the mass layoffs and furloughs that started this week as a result of COVID-19 and the either voluntary or involuntary closure of millions of businesses across the country. So there is a tsunami of UC claims coming. Since Monday, March 17th, the Pennsylvania Department of Labor and Industry has received approximately 121,000 online claims for unemployment benefits. That's over 50,000 new jobless claims each day in Pennsylvania alone over the past few days. Now, I want to talk about something that the news media is referring to as UC waivers in a moment. And under ordinary workaday circumstances, restrictions on access or prompt access to unemployment compensation benefits are built into the law. But today's workaday world has become anything but in the wake of the coronavirus. Businesses have been asked to shut their doors and employees despair about not receiving their regular paycheck on payday. Well, fortunately, the Pennsylvania Department of Labor and Industry has taken steps to put some wage replacement benefits into the bank accounts of thousands of Pennsylvanians impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. To keep up with the following measures, as well as others designed to help effectively out-of-work employees, you can always go on the unemploymentcomp.pa.gov website. There's a whole particular page and section on COVID-19 for more information. But two of the most helpful restrictions, blocking prompt or needed access, have been a 1-week waiting period following the first day of unemployment and a requirement that entitlement to unemployment comp must be accompanied by an active search and registration for new employment. However, effective March 16, 2020, the Department of Labor and Industry has put in effect waivers of these two restrictions. So work search and work registration requirements have been temporarily waived for all UC claimants. The waiting week requirement has also been temporarily waived. This means that new claimants who are approved for UC benefits will receive payment for their first week of unemployment, which is not the way the then existing law, which is not the way it had traditionally been run. Now, you may be eligible for unemployment compensation if your employer temporarily closes or goes out of business because of COVID-19. Your employer reduces your hours because of COVID-19. You have been told not to work because your employer feels you might get or spread COVID-19. You have been told to quarantine or self-isolate, or you live or work in a county under government-recommended mitigation efforts. Now, according to the Department of Labor and Industry, if approved, your first benefit payment should arrive within 4 weeks of filing, so it still takes some period of time to get the financial relief. The quickest way to file a claim for unemployment comp benefits is online at uc.pa.gov. Now, stay tuned to our website for regular updates and for Scaringi Law COVID-19 news programs regarding this very fluid working world that we're in and efforts to slow down and eventually stop the spread of this life-threatening disease. If you have any questions about unemployment compensation benefits, or if your claim is denied by the Bureau of Workers' Compensation, do not hesitate to contact the employment law attorneys at Scaringi Law at 717-657-7770 or scaringilaw.com. We are ready, willing, and able to help you receive the unemployment comp benefits you deserve. Thank you for listening to the Scaringi Law COVID-19 News Break.